Exercise H, question number 1. We are asked to find the value of 5% of 120 centimeters. Now note that your answer will always be in centimeters. So 5% can be written as 5 divided by 100 times 120 centimeters divided by 1. So that this is equal to, multiply out the numerators, we have 5 times 120 divided by 100 is in centimeters. So this cancel this when you divide by 10. 5 can also divide itself 1, and into 10 is 2 times. 2 can divide itself and 12 6 times. So when you multiply out the numerators, you have 1 times 6 centimeters divided by 1. For you know that whatever is divided by 1 is said to be that number. So this is said to be equal to 6 centimeters. So what that means is that 5% of 120 centimeters is said to be 6 centimeters. Kindly like my videos as you watch. While I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. While I recommend that you share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our daily classes. We shall now take the next exercise.